Tinatanong ko lang. Kasi di ba kayo isa structured. Kasi kapag kayo kay descriptive analysis.
And a more descriptive analysis. Nurse consideration and more descriptive analysis of the interviews that will be conducted.
Kasi nga, gumagawa kayo ng constructed, structured, and semi-structured approach, questions, kaya kailangan natin gamitin yung descriptive and analytical. Analytical to analyze the question itself. Kaya nga kayo qualitative. Yun yung sagot. Okay. Ilan ang respondents? Ilan ang respondents? 20? Ano naman? Wali kayo. Ilang respondents lang? Naglagay na kayo dito. Dito pa Ray. Ilang respondents nyo? Sabihin natin. Ilan? 5. Okay, so 5 respondents is enough to answer and to validate the questions na meron kayo. Enough na yun. And the rest ay nandito naman na nakasulat sa paper yung mga dapat nyo revise, mga dapat ayusin. And next time, make sure na alam nyo kung ano yung nire-report nyo. Kasi ito ay research. Una pa lang, meron pa kayong mga kasunod. May grade 12 pa kayo. Sa college meron din. So, take this as a practice. The way you answer specifically, lagi tayong direct to the point, the way we answer such questions. Kayo, may tanong?